The future of work is a future that's unknown to us today. Every student coming to higher education wants to know that their experience will matter when they leave college. It's great to have hands-on, experiential education early on that you can then leverage into your college education, which increasingly is also more hands-on. Career and Technical Education, or CTE, is really about hands-on learning in real-world work settings and experiences. It provides students with an incredible opportunity to learn a trade or a career and technical field, and which can lead them into myriad future trajectories. Where I work, we pride ourselves on having students in real-world work settings as part of their educational experience as early as possible. If students have that experience coming in from their CTE experiences in high school, they are already going to be a step ahead and find greater success through their college experience. The professional fields that require a college education in order to advance through them have increasingly technical components to them. And that is the future of the world of work for most professions moving forward. We need both ideational expertise, critical thinking, problem solving, collaboration, imagination, as well as technical prowess and technical expertise in the skill set of how to actually put things into action. The stronger that those skill sets can be developed through a combination of CTE and higher education courses, the better situated students are going to be for their own success.